It started with a rock, just an ordinary rock, and the idea that it could be something so much more. Well, if that was true, what if everything could be made better, smarter, cleaner, safer? So that's what we did, and before you knew it, those ideas were everywhere, saving lives, building neighborhoods, even exploring the stars. Millions of moments every day for over 100 years, in ways so great and small they often aren't even noticed. Oh, but they're felt. They're there when families reunite, lessons are learned, and great ideas are first born. And still we ask, what if we could be more as well? Make smarter use of our resources, build a company as strong as some of our products, and help make other companies even more successful? How do we give our people the power and opportunity to find the next future and cultivate curiosity for generations to come? For the next mind that sees a rock can become something so much more.